And the Bible is filled with stories of runaways. Adam himself was a runaway. Jonah was a runaway. You think you'll find it in drugs. You think you'll find it in sex. You think you'll find it in something else. It's not that.
My children are drifting more and more into drugs and vaping, and I had no idea.
I went back to the strip club and it got ugly. And we drove her 6.5 hours down to Nashville. I mean, we were on a mission.
And we were looking for Dad. Everybody was looking for Dad. Next thing I know, I heard him screaming.
All around struggles at home, running from a problem would eventually catch up with us.
An entire city that had experienced turmoil and fire and burning of buildings was beginning to shift from a riot to a revival.
So many people making such a big difference all around the world.
God cannot see sin through the blood of Christ. And if the blood is sprinkled and the blood is applied by faith, the blood from that cross, God cannot see your sin.